Hey, good afternoon. Bob, Trade Genius, the 30th of August. And I want to show you a great trade opportunity. So we've had the hurricane and the rain drenching in Houston, and it drove the price of oil down, but it drove the price of gasoline very high. And typically oil and gasoline correlate very well together. And this is the chart I have up here. If you look at the bottom, is that they correlate very close to one, and then when they push down like this, there's an opportunity to short one or the other, or to go long one and short the other. But just a couple times you get these anomalies where gasoline and oil are correlated half, and that gives you a chance to do one of two trades. One is, buy the one that you think is undervalued, short the one you think is overvalued, or do a pair trade where you buy the undervalued and short the overvalued. Now, for me, what I'm doing is I'm simply buying UGA puts. Let me bring that up for you, and I just want to share that with you. Already know UGA. Let me maximize this here. Okay, and I just want to just give you some perspective here. They pushed this thing up. It started falling a little bit today. I apologize for it. They're freezing up on me. So let me go out, take it to a weekly chart, just so you can see the move here. So since the end of June, price of gasoline has been moving up quite nicely, but oil was moving up too. And then with oil, it started rolling over hard because of the hurricane. And the thing was that the demand would fall, and that the need for the need for oil would be less, because the need for gasoline wouldn't be able to get it out of the refineries, and the refineries might be shut down. Well, the refineries have opened back up, and they're opening up more every day, and so gasoline is going to be coming out of storage, and the refineries are going to need to get some more in, and that's going to drive pricing down. If you look here, it's really way above its a volume average price deviation bands here. So it's a tremendous opportunity. Stochastics are overbought, and it certainly looks like every time it gets overbought, it's an opportunity to short gasoline. So I bought puts, and I bought September, and I bought the 28s, and we'll see. Looking for a big move fast, because I think as it comes out, going into the next week's oil reports, I think you'll start seeing some stabilization. And you just have to look, going into into September here. Last September it was at 23. Okay, oil prices I think are the same, if not lower, and so I could see this thing rolling back down, and give us an opportunity to get maybe at least 26.5, and then ideally would be somewhere in the 24, 25 area. But I don't know, I haven't traded it before. I'm just trying to take advantage of an opportunity. I have other things going, so I didn't want to watch that in the futures as well as anything else. So just FYI. Everything that we bought today, we bought XLE, and we think we got it at a pretty good price. Let me get back to the hourly here. So we bought it at 62.40 area here. I'll probably move the stop up to our break even now, and everything's gonna start getting more robust again. And just again, it's just a trade, so that's what I'm looking to do. We bought Nugget puts yesterday, and it's Nuggets overvalued at this point. Tomorrow, Thursday, before the unemployment report, is typically bearish for gold and silver, so I'm looking for an opportunity for it to spike down. I'm definitely bullish. I'm a perma-bill on bull on miners. I mean, I look for every opportunity to go long them, but you just can't ignore these opportunities. So we actually bought the puts yesterday, and so far it's been confirmed for us that this is a good trade. Now I need to get a good move down because next Friday is my expiration on those trades. So just looking at other things in general, AG, we started building a position again on AG and 668, and I'm just gonna wait and see how tomorrow shakes out. If we have a pull down, I'll go ahead and I'll buy some more, and then I'll accumulate more around $6, and again look for a move higher. I think the miners now are going to be a secular move, so that's what I'm looking to do, and see if there's anything else of interest. We pretty much sold out of all our positions, and then we just put on 3 new ones today, so you're getting to see what we've done, and so far so good. And then I have some UVXY puts on, just usually going into Friday, but it was interesting today because NASDAQ and the stock market screamed higher, and UVXY really didn't play ball. In fact, it started turning its nose up here at the end of the day, and we'll see what happens for Friday. It might just be getting ready for September. We'll see, but I just left them on. I didn't want to screw with them. I have some for this week that I had as a credit spread, and so far 30, 50, 30s, and then I have next week 31s as a put. So at 30, 50, 30, 50 for next Friday for me. I didn't announce that one in the room. That was just for myself. I'm hedging a short NASDAQ position. So, but that's where I'm at, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow, and then we'll have a long weekend, and then September should prove to be very, very interesting. So have a good one. Bye bye.